Hogwarts has been chosen to host the legendary event, the Triwizard Tournament.
Do 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 do. I'm back in Harry Potter World. Oh, so exciting! So we are here to visit the Goblet of Fire, all of the stuff, and see like the Durmstrangs and the Beauxbatons, and I'm just so excited. This is my cousin Leah. Hi. Hello. So we've just driven all the way here, and now we're gonna go in. Yeah. I'm so excited, and we're probably gonna sing quotes the whole time, and sing the whole time, and we're just gonna get on with it.
Yes.
Come on, let's do it.
Come on, let's go.
This whole video, you guys have got to count how many times I say Draco. Okay, throughout this whole video, you guys have got to count how many times I say Draco. Okay, throughout this. Okay. There's Draco Malfoy.
First saw you, you were smiling, and I was too. You look beautiful, just like you always do. I was thinking that we could be best friends. I was hoping that this would never end. You were skeptical, but I was confident.
I'm Rita Skeeter. I write for the Daily Prophet.
But all I ever saw since day one, oh, you were all I ever saw since day one.
And now our friends from the north, please greet the proud sons of Durmstrang.
Triwizard Tournament. But to do this, that student must survive 3 tasks. 3 extremely dangerous tasks.
Maybe saving, she's hiding inside the breaking and the aching. I'm feeling.
Yes, Harry! You wouldn't die, Harry. Lose a leg or an arm, pack it in all together. Never!
But I won't trade my life to feel safe, so I choose love. I choose love.
So the last time I came here, it was all like Halloween themed with like Death Eaters and stuff, and this time it's all like the Triwizard Tournament, so each room is dressed up like it is from the Goblet of Fire. So we've just been in the Gryffindor common room, and it's the scene where he gets the golden egg and like opens it in front of everyone.
Breathe in, breathe out. My hope is still healing. Just got to breathe in, breathe out. I get restless.
Felix Felicis. It is more commonly referred to as
Liquid love.
Yes, Miss Granger. Liquid love.
Grief is a friend, and we talk in my head. Is this reckless or acceptance? Oh, oh, oh. This heart is still beating.
Behind me is Mad-Eye Moody's, but David Tennant's dressed as Mad-Eye Moody.
My hope is still healing. Just got to breathe in, breathe out.
Oh, he's got the little flower. Hagrid. I don't know what's going on. Oh, like night and day. Oh, so this is night and this is day. Ah, how about tonight? That's cool.
Go. I think not. I cannot deny that fresh meat fled wandered so willingly into our midst. Goodbye, friend of Hagrid.
So we have come into the line of the Backlot Cafe where we're about to get a butterbeer. In my 4 times of coming here, I have never had a butterbeer. I've had a butterbeer like hot chocolate, it was meh, but I'm looking forward to getting the actual butterbeer, guys. And you get a free cup. Can I have a butterbeer, please? Any allergy? No. Cool, thank you. Cheers.
I like it.
It's interesting.
It's different, yeah.
I don't know what the top is.
It's like cream of some kind.
I don't even know how to describe that.
It's a bizarre flavour.
It is quite.
It's like almost like caramel sauce on a Mr. Whippy ice cream.
Yeah. It's quite refreshing though, isn't it?
It quenches your thirst. Yeah. I'm surprised I haven't like necked the whole thing.
That's actually that is quite nice.
Yeah, it is.
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No, I didn't like it when I came last time.
But you were like 12 years old, weren't you?
Well, yeah. I'm less picky now.
No, I quite like that. And we got a mug as a souvenir.
Yeah.
So if you are visiting the Harry Potter studios during the Triwizard Tournament era, the one thing to go and check out is this building over here, which is in the backlot stage, and you get to see some of the special effects that were created within the Goblet of Fire, where some of the very difficult scenes were underneath the Black Lake, and that was how they filmed all of the underwater scenes. And also there's a little bit of a special surprise at the very end, which I don't want to say anything about because it's actually pretty cool. So if you are here in the next few months, please check out that because it's really cool to see it all. Yeah.
Found you this September. I wanted us to grow. If this is not what love is, how could we ever know where to go?
Now remember said, how many times can I say Draco Malfoy in this video? Well, guess who it is, guys? Draco Malfoy.
Nimbus 2000, the fastest broomstick ever.
I've done it again, guys. I'm always a spender. I've got a Harry Potter jumper with the H on it, the Christmas one. A Pitch-Me Puff, which makes noises and it's so cute. Some chocolate coins, Harry Potter wand, which is the Philosopher's Stone, and I really wanted to get it last time, but I didn't get a chance. And then I also got a butterbeer glass, and it's really cool. But this concludes our tour. Have we had a good day?
Yeah, I have a very good day.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
Long drive home now.
Long drive home, but it's been great.
Yeah, it has.
Bye! Once I make my move, the Queen will take me. Then you're free to check the King Rondo.